Hey, blue is right outside our HQ, Woodside. Ugh. Rigo, we flashing? We flashing?
Flashing?
Yeah, the light on the GoPro.
Yeah, it's flashing.
Sweet. I said I was going back up Silas. Now I come over here and see that they're right here. I don't know what I want to do.
Every time I come back here, they're like right there.
I know, right?
Yeah, 15 minutes left. Fucking compound past the barracks either.
I believe we are now.
Are we?
I believe so.
I was just over there in the middle set of barracks, and there was blue inside the fucking building.
Building one.
Now? Yeah, just now. We had like, there was probably like 10 guys behind me clearing that building though, so I doubt he's still in there.
I just got lit up, so I friendly fired 4 times in the back of my cab.
Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. What's up, brother?
Hey, it was your teammate. He said sorry.
I don't think it will.
You guys have wipes that I can wipe this off?
I got one here, but it's pretty dirty.
Your mask or?
Yeah, my mask.
Oh, your hit is mainly on your head.
Or during lunch. You can chronal during lunch.
I know, I just figured I'd check before I walk off.
I don't know, chat. How's it looking on that side, though?
Over there.
No, I'm talking about this way.
Oh, this way, I don't know. That's what I'm tree up there with
Well, take it out, bud.
Jeremiah's jersey.
Oh, our teammate did it?
No, our teammate did it. Here, you guys it was a dude on the wall. The dude in the window.
Ugh. Alright, fuck it. Alrighty. Bucket, I'll come this way. Hey Kyle, you have a copy of staging? Hey, the defender's not wanting to roll anymore. Yeah, we're gonna have to dump it fully and bring it back out. Hey, he's on the wall! The wood wall right in front! Fuck off.
Yeah.
So he's at the wood barrier. The wood barrier that's right there. Then in the bush is there. There it goes. Now she wants to shoot. Wow.
I think you're overcompensating, bud.
Oh, there's a guy right at the fucking wall.
Then kill him.
Oh. How have you been, Bubba?
I'm cold, I'm wet, and I'm hungry.
Dude, how the fuck do we secure the princess so goddamn quick?
I have no idea.
Oh shit. Wow. Massive air leak now. Hey, I'm bringing a defender in. I got a massive air leak now. Our guys are at it. That thing is loud! I gotta go this way, it's got an air leak. Look how white the reg is. Massive fucking air leak.
Oh, yeah, you still got the tank? Yeah. How you doing? That was a brand new tank. Is it the tank or the... It's not the tank, it's when it's plugged into the gun. Doesn't like it. Doesn't like it. Oh, wait. So I was like, I'm gonna shoot as I walk out because I didn't get shot out yet.
Where's your other 66, 88?
It's on the Nova.
Dude, how heavy is that thing?
Oh, dude, it kills you. Hey, Mason, I'll load it up once and you can take it out one time. Let's see. And then it was sputtering to shoot, so it didn't want to shoot at all.
That's part of the thing.
It's a tank. Nope, it's a gun. Yeah. But for some reason on that tank, it just wants to be a massive air leak.
Hey.
Right there, I just couldn't fucking get it on.
Hey man, Somebody maybe help me. You got some Allen keys? How do you tighten this? This is it's just these, right? Yep. Could I use your keys again?
Yeah.
I don't know where you put them. I didn't want to go through all your shit.
They should be in there. Shit, I didn't even know that there was pockets.